Okay, relax. I can do this. I'm sure that the price will rise now. Okay, I go along with $1,000. Come on. Rise. Yes. What? That can't be... Hello digital friends, yes, that's me, Tobi. Like many of you, I'm looking for financial freedom. For that you need money, lots of money. But with so many options it's easy to get lost. Either it's too complicated or requires a lot of experience. To really achieve financial freedom, you have to walk a long rocky road. Depending on your standard of living, you need 1.5 million to live off the return on your investments. But maybe there's a shortcut. Yes, you heard right, CFD trading. How much can I earn in a week using day trading and $1,000? Let's try it out. Okay, let's be honest, I don't have an idea what I'm doing here. I know at least that it is absolutely possible to make a lot of profit within a short time, but I also know that it is possible to lose all of your money within a short time. I will invest real money, my hard-earned money, and this is no joke. And yes, it's true. According to Google, 74 to 89% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs. Yes, so maybe I should start this day by searching on the internet for more information about day trading and what the heck is CFD. CFDs are contracts for differences, which means that you don't buy real shares or commodities such as gold, but trade in securities that, for example, reflect the price of a share. Assuming I would like to trade with Amazon shares, I would not have to buy a whole share worth currently €2,650 to be able to speculate with the fluctuations in value. Instead, I could buy securities worth €100 that reflect the Amazon share price. If the real Amazon share increases by 10%, my profit also increases by the same percentage value. Usually trading is done with a so-called leverage. This means, for example, with a leverage of 1 to 10, all profits tenfold. However, this also applies to the losses. In short, you can move large amounts with little investment and win a lot, but also lose just as much. I found a lot of information. I mean, too much information to process it all in such a short time. I can say that there are both serious sources like this.
Simply not as easy as it looks. Of course you can make money day trading like him, but making millions at a young age, day trading, starting from zero, that's super fishy.
But also those guys.
My main goal is to turn as many students of mine into millionaire forex traders.
This is the best stock trading out there. Nothing else even compares. $50,000 in one day, pretty nice, right? I make 2 to 5% trading stocks every single day, playing real liquid names like Visa and Disney. How? Press the button below. I'll teach all of this to you for free.
These people are mostly no traders at all, but get commission if you sign up with a code at a shady broker. And sometimes they are just actors, and the Rolex and the Porsche are borrowed or simply fake. Every time you hear phrases like "investment banks want to ban this report, only the gurus will tell you," or "absolutely free of charge," then you should be very careful, because it is very likely that you will be scammed. First, I need a broker or a platform where I can sell and buy stocks, and I have to create an account, obviously. So let's do this. They are asking a lot of questions. They are asking, what's your profession? Then they're asking about my annual income. Do you have any experience in selling or buying leveraged products? Leveraged products. So I think no. Let's be honest, I've Googled all of these questions and I've Googled for the right answers, because I think if I answer these questions wrong, I won't be able to create an account. Well, I didn't lie. I just learned what I have to answer. Okay. It worked. I have an account. So now I can transfer money, or what? Okay, I can transfer real money. Okay, now it's getting serious. Let's transfer €1,000. So a little bit more than $1,000. Let's go! Okay, right now I'm looking at the gold trade. I have heard of a tactic called 3-bar play. That is when there is a significant swing up or down. Then the trend rests a little bit, but then it should continue to go in the appropriate direction. In my case, up. So I think I'm going to buy gold now. I've just invested in gold. It is normal that the price fluctuates a little bit. Okay, the 3-bar play wasn't working. I've just lost my first $36. But I won't give up yet. Maybe it's going back up, so it looks like this is it. Maybe this is the bottom, and if you buy at the bottom, your chances to win are pretty high, I think. So let's buy it again, I think. Okay, this is pretty bad. I lost another $28, $29. My trading journey starts with a loss of $65. After 1 hour, the price of gold went up again. Just to remind you, here were the points at which I had originally bought gold. If I had not closed the positions, I would have made some real good profit. But on the stock market, you can probably constantly regret everything. Maybe I can save some of my money and I will go short with gold right now. And I mean right now. Come on. So I made $26. That means that I've just lost $37. So I think that's enough for today. I lost enough. I have to continue tomorrow. My heart is racing at the moment. Yeah, let's continue tomorrow. In the next few days I traded either in the morning or in the evening. I didn't follow any particular strategy, simply because there are far too many and everyone claims that their strategy is the right one. Without proper education, I think it is difficult to evaluate the usefulness of a strategy. However, I managed to make a few small profits through short-term strong price fluctuations. I continued to focus on gold and the Euro 30. It was very difficult to catch the right moment, so I sometimes sat in front of my screen for hours waiting for the right entry. But my biggest problem was that I was too nervous and I closed the positive trades too fast. Whereas the losses, I waited too long because I did not want to accept that the trend did not move as I had predicted. So my losses were always quite high. In the end I had almost balanced my losses, but due to a carelessness and my stubbornness, I lost a lot of money on the last trade. I can absolutely understand why day trading can be addictive. It is similar to gambling, and in the end no one can predict the stock price. Sometimes the price can even behave contradictory to the reality. That means that all of your tools, indicators or whatever you have will fail. And yes, this is what recently happened with the GameStop stock. As I said in the beginning, if you are willing to take a high risk, you can make fast money with day trading. But you also have to accept that if you are doing the wrong things, your money will vanish into thin air. For my part, I can say that I won't pursue day trading any further. My brain is simply not made for this kind of stress. I have partly dreamed about it and woke up drenched in sweat. Just for comparison, I invested about 20 hours and I lost $65. On a 10-hour photo shoot for a client, I made about $1,200 as a semi-professional photographer. That means I could make $2,400 in the same times doing something much less risky. If I were looking for an investment options for my savings, I would focus on something more conservative, like real estate for example, but I'm not a financial advisor. Okay my friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope I could increase your awareness a little bit. Please don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. See you on the next video, have a wonderful time and watch your money.